Hey everybody, it is your travel agent David. I am on the Wonders of the Sea, and this is going to be my review of this ship. Now, I was on the ship 2 weeks ago for 4 days, and now this time again for 4 days. I've never done a 4-day cruise before, and I wanted to kind of see how a couple of them went, because I've heard that the 4-day cruises, 3-day cruises, they can tend to be a totally different crowd because of how short the itinerary is and how affordable, I guess you can say, the cruises as well. So on the first 4 days, it was pretty interesting. I love the Wonder of the Seas. It's my favorite Oasis class ship so far. I need to go on to the Symphony and the Utopia, and then I've been on all of them, but this is my favorite. I love the view bar. They've taken a few things from the Quantum class ships, brought them over here, mainly like the music hall. They have a couple different venues here also. They have the Sky Bar, which is on deck 15 by the Solarium. On the other Quantum class or Oasis class ships I've been on, there's another hot tub there, but they took it out and put a bar there, and it's phenomenal. If you're on the Wonder of the Seas while they're still there, Maria and Jason are fantastic bartenders. They also do a Cigars Under the Stars every night at 9 o'clock there. So if you like to smoke cigars and you want to go to the bar and smoke a cigar and just enjoy the weather, perfect place for that. Another thing they added was the mason jar. That's kind of like a southern type cook establishment. It's extra, but they do have a bar in there as well that's just a regular bar, and I've heard good things about it as well. Other than that, it's pretty much the regular Oasis class ship. The show, the Aqua Theater, called Intense, it was really awesome. And what I found interesting about it is it's the first show that I've seen that was just all female, so they don't have any male performers in that. So I thought that was pretty interesting and unique, and I liked it. It was really nice. The Intense show, if I could kind of mix two things together, it would be like New Zealand, the Warriors do, I don't know what it's called, but they're like, ah, and then they do their chants and stuff like that. I'm sorry, I can't recall off the top of my head what it's called. And then there was another movie that had one of the actresses from Black Panther, where it was an African tribe that was just women warriors. If you converge both of them without any words, just music and like the movements and things like that, I'm not doing it justice, but it was I will say powerful. It was very nice. The food on the ship, pretty good. I don't know if they only do a 4-day and a 3-day menu. I've been on here for 4 days. They do 4 days, 3 days, 4 days, 3 days. Both menus for the 4 days that I've been on here have been the exact same. Food's really good, better than the Explorer of the Seas when we just got off of doing our transatlantic. Wi-Fi works really good on this ship as well. Haven't had any issues. I wake up in the morning, I'm still connected. It's really good, so I can't complain at all about the internet. The casino, really nice. They have two of them. They have a non-smoking one. They have a smoking one. And what I like about it is it's big. It's spread out. You're not back of chair to back of chair. You can walk in between the machines when people are at them and stuff like that. So it's very nice. And the staff at the help desk is very good as well. Now, the other shows have been very good. The ice show is good. The theater show is good. I haven't been able to. I'm doing the comedian tonight, but everything is good. Everything is really good. Not one issue for me on this cruise. Now, I have seen some drama from people and their baby mama and other people. Now, the first 4-day cruise that we were on, the last day, there is a couple at the bar, the Skyview bar, and they left. We were talking to them a little bit. They left. The husband came back. There were two attractive women on the other side of the bar. He went over there to say hello, and they basically were like, hey, you got a ring on, we're good. And then the wife came around the corner. She grabbed him, told him that told those ladies to leaving alone he's married and a father. She pulls him off to the side, yelling at him. He said something. She smacked the crap out of him and told him that he's a father and a husband and he better act like it. She grabbed her arm and they took him away. But later that night at the Bionic Bar, I saw on the Facebook post there was some woman at the bar and a couple women came up. I guess they were drunk and they were getting rowdy. Well, I guess some things were said, and a couple of the women attacked that single woman. But those are the only altercations I've seen on here. The cruise this time, we were about 25 minutes outside of port. Apparently, some people got into a fight. A person tried to break up the fight and then got knocked out. And so we had to go turn around and go back to port so that they could get taken off the ship. Other than that, I haven't seen anything. But I've been told by some of the crew that sometimes it gets a little rowdy on these ships because they're short and people are trying to consume a lot of alcohol in a short period of time. And it's affordable, so it allows more people to come onto the ship. If you're looking for a traditional Royal Caribbean experience, you may want to not do the shorter cruises if you don't want to just deal with some of the drama. But I've not had any issues, so I can't professionally comment on what it's been like from my experience. I'm just sharing my experiences with you. But if I had to do it again, I would come on the Wonder of the Seas. Everybody, all the crew is very helpful, very friendly, very courteous. It's very clean. The entertainment is very good. The food is good. So overall, it's good. So if you have any questions about the Wonder of the Seas, if you want to book the Wonder of the Seas, let me know. I'll see what I can find for group rates for you. And as always, I will see you next time on my next trip.